How to add a promotion page on your website menu on Wix. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to add a promotion page here on your menu, just go to Wix. Now go to the top here, click add and click page. Now go down here and choose the promotion option, click on it and choose a template from here. For example, let's click on this one and wait a few seconds. Now as you can see, it's ready and you can edit the informations from here. Click edit, and now you can edit the title, paragraph and the image and the buttons. Like as you can see here, you can change this take a look button and add yours. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you later.